I'm Karthik and this is my partner is Ajay Karthik.
Hi viewers.
Our project title is Smart COVID City. We have done a project to support the 3 frontline warriors against COVID-19. First, for police, we have done a project using coding which is used for campaigning, and for the doctors and the garbage collecting persons, we have done a project using Ranger level kit which is used for collecting garbage and shifting patients from one place to another. The persons who are affected from coronavirus can use this entertainer robot for playing songs and videos.
All are saying that stay home, stay safe. To make sure that there are persons coming out for the unnecessary purposes. We all know that there is a lockdown. The person should not come outside. To make the under control to people about to convey this message, I recorded a voice in my phone so that my robot topic name is COVID campaigners. A campaigner is a person who organizes an active way towards their goals. My robot can control through Bluetooth controller also. My robot is working under the principle of the line follower. Now I will show you the working and the program for my robot. Now see the working for my robot. Dear responsible citizens, we care about you and our community. So please stay home, stay safe, stay healthy to fight against COVID-19 from the world. Thank you. This is my program of my robot. I'm showing from the down. This is my program.
You may have seen that in the morning, even though it's the lockdown, the garbage collectors come and collect the garbage from us. So, to help them, I have done a robot which collects garbage. This is done using the Bluetooth controller and it is connected to the 4 wheels. See how it collects the garbage. I will show you a short demo. Watch it very carefully. It can be also used by shifting patients from one place to another. This two-line access is used. See what a way it collects, and when I put a garbage, the pick and place robot comes and captures that garbage. It lifts up and gives it to the garbage collector carefully. The garbage collector now gets the garbage down. I'm going to explain about the COVID entertainer. This entertainer plays songs, videos and makes the patients feel and do not make them feel like lonely or sick. Now I will show you the program. I imported many assets and the Spark Assistant key and the API key. And this is the program. When I press the B1 button, the song which we asked will be played. Now I will show you a short demo by running the program. For running the program, I am clicking the F5 button.
Hey, press the button and start speaking.
Now I am pressing the button B1.
What music or video do you want me playing?
Master Kuti Story. Oh, what a nice song.
To convey some message to you.
So better to wear a mask or a ventilator and better to stay in home than in an ICU.
So thank you. Happy reporting.